Hi guys, this is Chef Ajay and I'm cooking vegetable pakora, which is very tasty, very flavorsome and very addictive. Let's get started. I'm keeping it very simple. It's a lockdown recipe specially, so I'm using onions, potatoes and spinach leaves and spices. So to make a vegetable pakoras, I've thinly sliced my onions, my potatoes, spinach leaves and 2 green chilies. So I'm going to give them a nice mix. I'm going to go in with lemon juice, fresh ginger, kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, some turmeric, and salt. And finally, I'm adding in sifted gram flour. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sifted gram flour into my pakora mix. I'm nicely going to mix everything together, and just to give a nice binding, I'm going to use a little bit of water, just a little bit, not too much, and I'm going to add some more flour if your mix is not binding. Just remember to add gram flour little by little. We don't want to have too much gram flour in a pakora. We want to be able to taste vegetables. Although this is a fried snack, but I want to be able to taste more veggies. Everything should come together like a fritter. We'll leave our pakora mix to rest for about 5 minutes before we fry them. So I've got my oil hot. Just make sure that it's not overly hot by dropping a little piece of your batter, and when it comes on a float you will know if the oil is ready. So my oil is done and ready. To be able to fry pakoras easily, you will need your hands a little bit wet, so feel free to dip your fingers in water and take a tiny amount at a time and start dropping your pakoras. Just try to keep them not too big, because then they don't cook, and do not press them too hard when you drop them into the oil. Give them a nice stir while you are frying them. Just make sure that your oil is not very hot, because your pakoras will cook from outside and they will stay raw from inside. So just make sure that you control the temperature all the time. Keep stirring them while you're cooking them, just to get even colors on all over the pakoras. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius to get your pakoras ready. My pakoras look nice and golden and they look ready, so I'm going to drain them on the paper. Should leave the pakoras on the absorbent paper just to get rid of all the excess oil. You can check your pakoras by breaking in the middle that they are cooked. There shouldn't be any raw bits in the middle, because we have used a minimum quantity of our gram flour, so they look nice and crispy on the outside. They're very well cooked inside. So this is the best pakora. So this is my veg pakora, guys. This is perfect for your lockdown tea time or Netflix time. You can try at home. Do let me know when you cook your pakoras, and do like and tag us. Share this video if you liked, and enjoy.